Hello friends, my name is Skapi and today we are going to draw 5 different styles of tulip flowers in a very easy way. Believe me, try these styles, they're all very easy. I am drawing directly with a marker pen, however, if you want you may start drawing with a pencil and then trace it with a pen. So, let's begin. First, draw a big U shape using a purple marker and then draw 2 lines inside from both tips of the U shape. Look carefully, I am drawing very slow so you can follow along. Draw 2 more curved lines on top of the 2 existing lines. That was easy, wasn't it? I am using a green marker pen for the stem. Draw 2 very close parallel lines. Then draw 2 leaves, one on each side of the stem. We will start drawing the leaves from the bottom of the stem. To draw the leaf, we just need to draw 2 wavy lines. Try to leave the leaves pointed at the end to give them a very natural look. Yay! Now comes the fun part, coloring, and I love coloring. I have used light pink to fill the flower and light green for the stem and leaves. Then I used dark pink for shading. For this drawing, we need marker pen in different colors. I've used black, red, pink, magenta, purple, light and dark green, and a few others. You can use white pencil or glitter for highlights. Wow! So awesome and so easy. I bet you found it easy too. Let's now draw the second style of the tulip flower. Again, begin by drawing a big U shape. Then draw 2 little curves to the top tips of the U shape and join them to the bottom center of the U shape. Draw a triangular top in the middle of the flower in a curvy way. Try not to draw very straight lines. If you draw curvy lines, then it will give your flower a beautiful look. Again, draw 2 parallel lines for the stem. This time, I am showing you a different way of drawing the leaf. This time we will try to give a curve towards the end of the leaf. It's very easy. Look carefully and follow along so that you understand the stroke easily. Here you go. I am coloring it red and the same light green for stem and leaves. I have used dark red for shading. Don't forget to highlight it too. I have used Sharpie marker pens and Kelly Art marker pen, but you can use marker pens of any brand. Did you know there are over 3,000 different varieties of tulips in the world? Let's look at the third way of drawing the tulip easily. This time, we start with drawing an oval, then draw 2 half ovals on both sides of the bigger oval. In fact, we use the same style in drawing a pumpkin too. You can check my other video for drawing Halloween art and the link is at the top right now. Complete the flower with 2 humps in the back. We still use the same style for stem and leaves. You can draw either straight or bent or curved leaves. In the garden tulips grow, straight and golden in a row. Each one holds its empty cup, drinking rain and sunshine up. I am coloring it red and shading it with dark red. This time I have used a different way of coloring the leaves with light and dark green markers. Are you with me so far? I bet you find it interesting. Let's look at the fourth style, and this time we will draw a bunch of tulips. Begin with drawing U-shape. Yeah, they all have many similarities. Keep your lines curvy so your art looks beautiful. This time around we are drawing a bunch of tulips. Draw 2 more U-shapes around the first one and complete them in the same manner. This one is so pretty. I'm so excited for the fifth and the final style today. This one is just a little more complex than the others, but by now I'm confident that together we can draw this one very well too. Drawing this style is still very similar to the first two styles, but with more petals and yes, a bud too. So cool. I love this one. I loved coloring all tulip flowers and shading is so much fun. I hope you enjoyed this video and have learned something from it. If you like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you'll be the first to know when I publish another great tutorial. See you in my next video for some more fun and some more drawing. Sayonara!